Hello everyone, so in this video I will show you how you can actually do copy paste from your Windows COM promote. Here to open the Windows COM promote you need to press Windows key plus R, then you will open the run function. Here you can see, then type the CMD, and this is the shortcut for the COM promote from your Windows 10 PC or Windows 7 or Windows XP. Any of your Windows will work with this. Now after typing this one you need to press enter or OK to open this COM promote from your Windows 10 PC. Here you can run any type of command you that want, but there is a problem that you cannot copy paste in this setting here. But in this video I will show you how you actually can do this. So if I run something like ACLP help or press enter, we'll find all the help or all the commands, the basic commands here. So there is a problem that you cannot copy this one. If I select something and just right click on this, it will automatically go away. So there is an option that you can just copy this one. So to do this one you just need to go here and just right click here on the bar, and then you need to go to properties. So when you go to properties, there will be an option. You can see I've already tick marked this one. So for you it may be look like this, and here you can see use Ctrl plus Shift plus C or B to copy and paste something inside this COM promote. So here we need to tick mark this one, and when you tick mark this one, now press OK. Now it's all done. Now if I go to here and just select a line from here, like I just select this one, I just select this line and then press Ctrl plus Shift plus C from keyboard. You sure that it has been copied. So I just test this one if copy or not. So I just open a text pad and then press here and press Ctrl V. You can see that our line have successfully copied. Now we'll try the paste function is working or not. So I just type a little command here like help, and now I'll just copy this one. So I just select this one and press Ctrl C from my keyboard. Now I again go to our command prompt section, and here I just select this one and press Ctrl Shift V, and you can see our command line has been inserted successfully in this command prompt section. Now you can just press enter to run all the command. So like this you can copy some command that you might want to do something from the web page or any other things. You can just use Ctrl plus Shift plus C to copy this from your Windows command prompt, and you can just paste something here inside to Windows plus Shift plus V. So this is the quick tutorials how you can copy and paste in CMD in Windows 10 PC or any other PC. So I hope you guys like the video, and if you like the video, hit the like button, and if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe for more videos like this. So see you on the next video. To change your